October brought a surprising spark back to Hong Kong's markets. While global investors kept a cautious eye on China's economy, a handful of companies broke away from the pack and delivered standout gains. From financial giants to game developers, each stock had its own storyline powering the climb. Let's count down the top 10 best-performing Hang Seng Index stocks for October 2025. 10. Hengan International, Household and Personal Care, up 7%. Hengan had a steady month thanks to rising demand for its daily use tissues and hygiene products. Earlier results showed improving profit margins, and stable raw material costs gave investors confidence. With a solid dividend and slow and steady business model, Hengan offered a calm, dependable return in a choppy market. 9. MTR Corporation, Transport and Property, up 8%. MTR's strong performance this month was rooted in a simple story: more people riding trains. Passenger numbers kept climbing as the city continued returning to full strength. Add steady property income and a well-received dividend earlier in the year, and investors saw MTR as a reliable way to play Hong Kong's recovery. 8. Shenzhou International, Textiles and Manufacturing, up 9%. Shenzhou moved higher on the back of stronger sentiment around global sportswear demand. Analysts remained upbeat about its growth outside China, especially as new manufacturing capacity came online. Investors liked the mix of stable overseas customers and improving efficiency, helping the stock stay on the front foot all month. 7. NetEase Gaming and Entertainment, up 9%. NetEase climbed as excitement built around its gaming pipeline. Titles in partnership with major global franchises, along with new updates to existing games, kept players engaged and investors curious. With its Q3 earnings approaching, many traders took early positions, betting on another solid quarter from one of China's gaming heavyweights. 6. New Oriental Education, Consumer and Education Services, up 11%. New Oriental's rally came after it posted stronger than expected quarterly results. Revenue held firm, and the company announced both a dividend and a share buyback, which signaled confidence in its future. After years of turbulence in the education sector, investors welcomed the return of stability and smart capital decisions. 5. China Shenhua Energy Coal and Energy, up 12%. Shenhua gained momentum as it approached its interim dividend date. The company's steady cash flow and reputation for high payouts kept income-focused investors locked in. Even with market uncertainty, Shenhua benefited from the classic appeal of an energy giant offering solid yields and predictable earnings. China Hongqiao, aluminium producer, up 12%. Aluminium prices stayed strong this month, and Hongqiao rode that wave perfectly. With China tightening supply and global demand staying firm, prices hit some of their best levels in years. As the world's largest aluminium producer, Hongqiao naturally became a favorite among investors looking for commodity-driven gains. 3. China Life Insurance, Insurance and Financial Services, up 12%. China Life impressed the market with a significant jump in profit growth for the year so far. Analysts quickly raised their target prices, saying the insurer had turned a corner with better investment returns and a healthier balance sheet. Strong fundamentals and renewed confidence pushed the stock firmly into the top 3.2. PetroChina Oil and Gas, up 13%. PetroChina continued to benefit from firmer oil prices and a quarterly earnings release that held up better than many expected. Its strong free cash flow and generous dividend yield added to the appeal. With global energy markets staying unpredictable, investors gravitated toward established players like PetroChina that could weather the storm. Hang Seng Bank, banking, up 29%. Standing at the very top this month is Hang Seng Bank. And the story here is huge. The stock surged after HSBC made a formal offer to buy out the remaining shares at a hefty premium. The news instantly sparked one of the biggest moves in the index for October. Investors love clarity, and a takeover deal offered just that: a clear path, a clear price, and a clear catalyst. That wraps up our Hang Seng Index Top 10 for October 2025. Whether it was rising commodity prices, strong earnings, or headline takeover news, each of these companies found its own way to shine. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, share it with your investing friends, and subscribe for more market roundups from around the world. Tell us in the comments, which Hong Kong stock are you watching for November? Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.